Hi, this is Sara of Spa and Wellness 𝐒𝐞 and I am here at Séc-He Spa in California in Palm Springs. And the name Séc-He is the native tribal word for the sound of boiling water. And this is a place with absolutely incredible hot springs. So the water is coming up out of the ground, boiling hot. And that's why the tribe settled here originally. And the spa really pays tribute to the people of the tribe in obviously the name of the spa, but also the decor around the spa, the symbols, and the layout of the spa. It's really an amazing place to spend a day or a few days, and they have the thermal waters, as you can see behind me. We have the waterfall and one of the pools. They have the hot thermal water pools out in the open for everyone to share. They also have individual thermal pools where the water is coming straight from the ground, and it's the first time it will have reached the surface in 12,000 years, and it's coming from 8,000 feet down. So that's really an incredible feeling to be sitting in such amazing water coming straight from the earth. The treatments available, they have a full spa service menu, of course, and I enjoyed a jet fuel facial, and my friend enjoyed the cryo facial. So really advanced, amazing facials. The treatment beds they have are incredible. They also invited us to enjoy the flotation tanks, that's sensory deprivation flotation tanks. And they have an amazing serenity lounge with 2 different types of lounges to feel vibroacoustic relaxation. So you have headphones, and we're doing a guided meditation, and you're feeling heat and vibration through the body while in a zero gravity position. So really an incredible place to relax, recharge, unwind. The spa hydrotherapy facilities include a wonderful hot sauna, menthol eucalyptus steam room, 2 cold plunges at different temperatures, an array of showers, and also, obviously, you've got the hot thermal water pools to enjoy. They also got salt inhalation rooms that are shared for male and female with a lovely lounge area. So it's been a wonderful experience here at Séc-He Spa in Palm Springs, California. Thanks for inviting me.